Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change profile picture on Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or just open up any of your browser, then just go to Google and search for slack.com. Then just open up slack.com and just log into your account using your email or your Google account or Apple account. After signing in, you'll be brought to My Workspaces page. From here, just open up any of the workspace, just click on Launch. Then just give it some time. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser, and after that, the workspace will successfully load. And after it loads, on the left hand side, you'll see many options in the navigation bar. At the bottom, you'll see your profile picture. Just click on it, and after that, just click on Profile. Then on the right hand side, you'll see this pop up, and from here, you can just click on Upload Photo. Then you can either drag and drop a photo from your computer or click on Upload File to browse it. So I'm browsing it. I'll select this profile picture. I'll click on Open and then just give it some time. After that, just select the profile picture which you want to add to your profile and click on Open. Then just give it some time to upload the image. And there you go. Then just click on Save. Just give it some time. And there you go. Your profile picture has been changed. And now, if you send a message, for example, hello, your profile picture will show up. And basically, that is how to change your profile picture on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.